Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. This is Sam with Kanen Coffee. Today we're testing this old Cara machine, and this machine has a 2-position switch. Right now it's on low, and you flip it back to turn it on high. There's no power switch, so you have to just unplug it in order to turn the power off, or put it on a surge protector that allows you to easily turn it on and off and on. But you can see where we just have it plugged in here with the converter. And let's go ahead and test the machine.
That's good.
You can see you get a great shot with really nice crema. The gaskets were a little bit hard to find for this machine, but we eventually found them. And let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.